Could you speak a bit slower?
Sorry, English is not my first language. Could you speak a bit slower?
That makes sense.
Oh, now I understand why you chose that option. That makes sense.
I didn't quite catch that.
Sorry, it's a bit noisy here and I didn't quite catch that.
Can I take a rain check?
I can't make it to dinner tonight, but can I take a rain check?
I'm on my way.
Don't worry, I just left my apartment and I'm on my way.
That makes sense.
Ah, now I understand your explanation. That makes sense.
Mind if I sit here?
Excuse me, all the other tables are taken. Mind if I sit here?
I'm running a bit late.
Sorry for the delay, I'm running a bit late because of heavy traffic.
To be honest.
To be honest, I didn't really enjoy the movie last night.
Could you give me a hand?
Could you give me a hand carrying these heavy boxes?
I didn't quite catch that.
Sorry, it's a bit noisy in here. I didn't quite catch that.
That makes sense.
Ah, now I understand why the project was delayed. That makes sense.
Never mind.
Oh, never mind, I found my wallet at the bottom of my bag.
Take your time.
There is no rush at all, please take your time reviewing the document.
Is this seat taken?
Excuse me, is this seat taken or can I sit here?
To be honest.
To be honest, I'm not really feeling up to going out tonight.
It slipped my mind.
I was supposed to buy milk on the way home, but it completely slipped my mind.
How have you been?
Hey Sarah. How have you been since we last met?
I'm running a bit late.
Sorry, traffic is terrible so I'm running a bit late.
Mind if I join you?
Hey, mind if I join you for lunch?